Haier Pakistan is at the forefront of innovation and cutting-edge computer technology. In 2017, Haier set up a state-of-the-art SMT plant which makes board manufacturing possible. This is Pakistan's first ever board manufacturing plant, which enables Pakistan to manufacture high-tech laptops. There are two manufacturing lines set up here. One produces I/O boards and the other produces motherboards. After production, the boards are inspected by advanced machines like an X-ray and then go through full function tests by the operators. SMT Hall is set up according to international standards. It is a 100,000 degrees dust-proof plant. The temperature of the hall is strictly controlled to 24 plus -2 degrees and the humidity is kept between 30% to 70%. The ground is ESD free, which absorbs ESD to protect the boards. Haier brings the most advanced facilities to Pakistan. All the main suppliers are renowned companies. The solder printer and surface mounting machine is from Japan. Solder paste inspector is from Korea. Automatic optical inspector AOI is from France. And the X-ray machine is from the US. NXT and AIMEX from Japan adds more value in the processing. The SMT plant is second to none compared with the SMT facilities in other countries.
The SMT environment is perfect. We are very happy and excited to work here. In this plant, various components and different type of components like CPU, RAM, transistor, resistor and capacitor are mounted on this bare PCB. It is impossible to mount it by hand. Chinese engineers from Haier are teaching us about this advanced facility which we have never seen before in Pakistan. I learned from Chinese engineers how to operate these machines, how to maintain these machines, how to program these machines, how to inspect and ensure the quality. We are learning very fast. As you can see, all the SMT machines are now run by Pakistani operators and we are successfully manufacturing laptops that is made in Pakistan. I am glad to contribute my part to Pakistani IT industry. When I see students having these laptops which are labeled made in Pakistan, I feel happy and proud.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here to explain the process of laptops inspections under Prime Minister laptop schemes. There are multiple processes required in the laptops inspections. In the first steps, we'll move to the Haier warehouse where the laptops are ready for inspections. First, we randomly selected the laptops from per ballots. It means that 168 laptops we are selecting in one ballot and each ballot will randomly inspected 3 laptops. Once we randomly selected the laptops, then all the laptops move into the testing centers where we are standing now. Now you can see that all the laptops have been displayed in a table and our team are ready for the inspections. In the inspections, first we'll check the specification of each laptops as per PC1. Then we'll check also the burn test from the burn-in softwares. In the burn test, we'll check the performance of CPU, RAM, hard disk and graphics designs. Once the burn test passed, then we'll move to the next stage, that is called the Nova bench. In the Nova bench, basically we can check the scoring performance of the CPU, hard disk, hardware and graphics and resolutions and giving us scores as per standard procedures. Then our team also check the performance of touch screen, keyboard, headphones and speakers. These all are the processes which are required for the inspection of laptops.
I got the Haier laptop through Prime Minister's scheme. The laptop is labeled made in Pakistan. These laptops are the first laptops manufactured in Pakistan and I am very proud to have one of them.
This laptop by Haier is really nice. It is convertible and I can use it both as a laptop and a tablet. It is pretty slim and I can carry it around comfortably. It has a Core M3 7th generation processor, 8 GB RAM and 1 TB HDD, which easily meets my study requirement.
I got this laptop half a year ago. It runs very well, the quality is very good. I always use it to surf the internet and now I can study from anywhere. These laptops give me new opportunities to learn and explore the new world.